I'm so hungry. Are you hungry? Yeah? I could eat. We have company. Look over there. Well, don't be rude. You're right. Where are my manners? Are you guys ready for breakfast? I don't think you know just what you do to me. Are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? Hey guys, and welcome back to the block. Every morning I wake up and the sun is shining, the birds are chirping, little woodland creatures come together to help me with my day. That's not true. It's actually the opposite. I'm really miserable in the morning. For some reason, seeing the sun first thing when I wake up makes me really mad. It takes me about 30 minutes to get out of bed, and even then my rage does not relent until I've had breakfast. So you're probably wondering why I'm not breathing fire right now. I got up extra early to give myself some time to be able to film this video. I just wanted to show you what a normal breakfast was like for me. But if that was the case, I'd just pour some oatmeal in a bowl and watch cartoons. So since we all have a little bit of extra time on our hands, why not show you what I have for breakfast when I want to treat myself to something fun? Girl, not right now. We're gonna make strawberry cheesecake French toast. My favorite breakfast growing up was French toast. Till this day, if my grandmother's gonna make me breakfast, she just knows what I want. She just knows. Sometimes the things you love, they grow. They change. They evolve. I could have classic French toast any day. Let's make it special. Disclaimer, I'm not a chef, and I'm not trying to teach you how to cook. I'm simply hungry for the most important meal of the day, and you're stuck at home with nothing to do. So let's make some breakfast. Before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can become a resident of Travee City and join the block. Damn it, Kristen, I'm recording. Step 1. You're gonna gather all your ingredients. This is gonna make 4 pieces of French toast that'll feed 1 or 2 people, depending on how hungry you are. First, you'll need fresh cut strawberries. Slice them up. Your choice of bread. I like Arnold's multigrain bread best. Some kind of butter or butter light alternative like the one that I use. A sweetener of your choosing. Cinnamon. Eggs. Cream cheese to make the icing. Non-fat or low-fat if you want to keep it light. And the same with the milk. I use skim. Great. Now you have your ingredients. It's time to make some toast. French toast. First things first. Raise your hands. Great. Now wash them. With everything going on in the world right now, take 20 or 30 seconds just to scrub those bad boys really quickly. Awesome, so we're gonna start with the strawberries. Separate them after rinsing and chopping them. Add sugar, add water, add a splash of vanilla extract. Place that in the fridge for now so the mixture can pull out the juices in the fruit. We'll check on that later. Next, you need to make the batter for the bread. You'll need eggs, whisk, cinnamon. Too much cinnamon. That's okay. Scoop it out. Walk it off. She's fine. Walk it off. Whisk. Add a splash more vanilla. Whisk. And add some milk. Just enough to make it creamy. Whisk. See a pattern here? Now it's time to get that stove fired up. Yes, stove. You got this. Work. Or gently motivate it. You're gonna do just great, stove. I just know it. I believe in you. Put it on a medium-high heat. Grease up the pan. I don't use a lot of butter. I use all the butter. Just kidding. I don't do that. Great, your pan's ready. Now dip the bread in the batter. Use a fork to guide you. Not your hands, you nasty. Throw them on the pan and try to make them fit. I've been playing Tetris since I was 5. I've been training my whole life for this. Let those start to brown. We'll come back and flip them. And then they said, flip them. I barely know them. I'm so hungry. Time to make the cream cheese icing. Get it? Icing. Take some cream cheese, add a little vanilla, again, add sugar, mash it up. Mash. Throw it in the microwave for 30 seconds. When it comes out, it should be smoother. Add milk until it's the consistency of a drizzle and not a spread. Whisk. Don't burn your toast. Great. Now get the strawberries out of the fridge. Add some on top of the bread, but don't use them all. The rest you need to throw in a blender or a food processor, and then on the stove until it starts boiling. This is gonna make a delicious strawberry sauce. Top the toast with icing. Yeah, we're still making that joke. And then top with strawberry drizzle. Strawberry cheesecake French toast. And 20 minutes later, you have a decadent breakfast that's way more exciting than oatmeal. I'm not clowning oatmeal. I literally eat it every day. Well, thanks for joining me for breakfast. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you've tried this recipe or if you have any ideas of your own. Best thing about living in Travee City is that we're all neighbors. Oh, and don't forget to check out my other social medias. That's Travee from the Block on Instagram and Travee City on Twitter and TikTok. Until next time, see you around the block.